Hi, my name is Shanti Sitiku. I am from group number 17. Our project title is Payment Automation System, and in our group we have 4 members. Sabnam Thapa, who is a project manager and a tester. Sanjeev Basnet is the lead programmer of our project. I work as a business analyst, and Sajan Karki as a technical writer. Our client is Nexco Education and Migration Consultancy. Despite being committed toward delivering the best online services to its client, the payment system that they have been using is not much to the standard that they have been seeking for. So, to make the payment fast, reliable, as well as versatile, the best solution would be a payment automation system which allows PayPal or which accepts PayPal. The addition of PayPal facilitates efficient payment regardless of where the client is currently located. The payment automation system is a simple system which is built in ASP.NET, and it uses MS SQL as its database. The remarkable features of this product is payment automations and PayPal integration. The client who wants to integrate PayPal Pro to the Nexco website via APIs to authorize transaction, capture delay transactions, sales transaction, void transaction, credit and refund transactions, and run report with a specified data range. The main objective of this project is to propose a new system which is scalable, that is the ability to quickly implement changes, deployment and rollbacks, and easily adaptable to the changing environment, and to develop a system for payment automation which would feature card payment and also integrate with PayPal Pro. So before jumping into the project, we did some research work. On the basis of that, we have made our storyboard by analyzing clients' problem and a possible solution to their problem. So in storyboard we have listed information regarding our project, our client, stakeholders, project product, acceptance criteria, constraint, assumptions, risks and dependencies. So some of the user stories were introduced from admin side and client side. After making a storyboard, we started with a roadmap, discussing with our client and our supervisor and analyzing the client problems. We have generated around 30 user stories based on our client's requirement. After that, we have divided our whole user stories into 3 sprints, that is sprint 1, sprint 2 and sprint 3, based on their criteria and their priority. So all the tasks having high priority is listed in sprint 1, and the tasks having a medium priority, that is not too high and not too low, but they should be done. So these kind of tasks are categorized in sprint 2, and the least prioritized tasks are in sprint 3, with the start date and end date, with the name of the team member who's gonna do the tasks. So talking about the sprint 1 mostly focus on the registration part, approval of new user, making payment through PayPal. For sprint 1 we have around 7 user stories. Yes, being an enterprise student, I mostly focus on doing research work and documentation part. In my previous semester I learned about making flowchart, use case diagram and so on. So I took that as an advantage, and I made flowchart for registration, which shows all the possible steps involved in registration and login, and I also made a use case diagram for credit card payment system, which I will be showing at the end of the video. Also I made a ER diagram with the help of all the tables in database. I also researched about the business rule for implementing PayPal. In sprint 2 I have in sprint 2 we have around 22 user stories. The main theme of sprint 2 is to create system that allow management of account, users, service, invoice and transaction. Here in sprint 2 I again draw use case diagram for setting up the password after analyzing all the possible steps that could involve in the password research. And I obviously share it with my developers friends so that it would make them easier to work on. Also I have gathered all the information regarding the email template and generated the template that should be added from the admin side. These templates are used to receive notifications of the transactions and the charges so that they can get up-to-date informations of their transaction and their payment as well. Beside that, I have done research about services that can be provided by the company, like what services are in need of client, what services are in demand in market. So I helped my friend Sajjan to make a diagram showing all the services that the client are seeking for, and also I help him to draw the use case diagram for password change as well. Sprint 3 since sprint 3 do not have any main tasks, I don't have much to do in sprint 3, so I focus on researching and searching articles and making research about PayPal payments so that I can add in our final write-up. I have made 2 posters of size A3 and A4, and also help my friend in making the presentation slide as well as the demo video. I feel so grateful to work in such a nice project. All the team members were so hardworking and helpful. I really had nice experience as I have used all my skills and my knowledge that I have learned from my previous semester. Working in a team, what I have realized is teamwork is the key factor to make the project successful, and also communication plays a vital role. What would I like to suggest is that there should be proper monitoring of tasks so that we can avoid any last minute changes, and there should be a healthy relationship with the team members regarding the project. So I'm gonna show you what I have done. That I'm gonna show you the diagrams that I have done. This is the use case diagram for credit card processing. This is the flowchart for refund. This is the ER diagram. This is the ER diagram showing all the relationship between the tables. And this is the poster. This is the A3 posters. This is the A3 poster that I have made. This is of size A4, and this is the whole flowchart from the client side. And for write-up, we have divided tasks equally for everyone in our team. I have done 3 chapters in write-up, that is chapter 4 project approach, chapter 5 which is related to testing, and chapter 6 is all about summary, limitations and recommendations. Thank you.